Hello Techies and welcome back to my channel. So on this video you will have to so I showed you in my last video to how to screen record, so I'm hoping you guys would screen record and do your own videos too. So I'm going to show you a place where you can do coding. So it's called glitch.com. If you remember from my video, let's check that one. Right, I don't remember the names. Sorry, let me stop that. Let's go to my channel. Okay, so on where is it? I think it was this one. Or was it this one? Let me check. Yeah, it was this one. So on this one, all right. Okay, on this one, I showed you what it would show if so basically I showed you just the things on what I use on the last one. So when I was trying to show you this, it wasn't that blurry, so it was actually that kind of blurry, so I copy and pasted it onto here, and now so you can read it properly. And then we've got to do this, you need to know, and blah blah blah. This part is not part of it, so that's just the real thing that I was like actually trying to say. And in this one, so in this sentence, it would say in HTML coding, not everyone uses pointy brackets, blah 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 blah. But in glitch.com, that's what I use. So you could also press this link to start your doings, but you will have to log in for that. I'm already logged in, so let's go on my very beautiful stuff. So checking up. I can't find mine. It's very glitchy because it's called glitch.com. So let's go into Glacier. Oh, what was that one I just opened? Oops. I have to open it like a million times. Sorry, let me pause that. It's gonna be really quick pause. Okay, that was a real quick pause, but actually took a very long time. So I've got this. I finally found it. It's called Honeysuckle Elegant As. So in this, we've got index. The index. Oh, is it nuxt.html? Oops. So I got on here. I got that one wrong. And so where'd I get it wrong? Index.js, yeah, that's index.html. Oopsies. But that's just not mind that, and let's look at this. So when I went on here, oh, I didn't write HTML on this, did I? So only when you start your HTML code, you will do the pointy brackets, but not every code uses pointy brackets to start their HTML. So the HTML, when you start it, you do pointy bracket. As I explained on here, the pointy brackets, so the slash, it's for to stop or end the code, like pause it. So for example, if I did p strong and then write your text down, then strong pointy bracket slash strong pointy bracket slash p pointy brackets, it would come up as this, except let me just edit that. Oh yeah, okay. Then I just need to add okay. Alright. Is it the lower? Yeah, will come up like that. Except they would be together like that. So it would come up as your text in bold with the little stuff at the top, the snowflake, I call them. So on here, I have put HTML, head, link, rel, blah, blah, blah. But you may be wondering what this is. So at the left hand corner, it would come up with some assets or files and stuff like that, like index.html, script.js, style.css. You would press on style.css, and also the index.html. I have written to like link it together. So the link rel style sheet href style.css, that is to link style.css to the index.html, so you can write down h1, and so you can write down the font family and change the font and the color of the text, and change the align, which is where it would be, and you can change the background. So I'm going to be telling you. Oh, there we go. This is an example of the stop. So, as I said on here, the slash. There's the slash here, and it stopped the code. I could change this into this. Oopsie. So then I could change. 1 second, sorry, it's space there. Then I could change it to the color. It's pretty hard to change the font. It's pretty hard to do that. I think it only works with Comic Sans, MS, and Georgetta, I think the name is. And so on light pink, you could change it to maybe light blue. And I'll pop as that, or maybe light gray. Maybe covers light gray. But I don't think it works with light purple, does it? Or was it light yellow? No, it works with light yellow. Let me try purple. It's not working on light purple, is it? So, and light purple doesn't work. So I'm going to change the color to hot yellow, which is going to be pretty hard to see. But let's see if it works. What about hot pink? Oh, there we go. If it turns blue, that means it's correct. So I can also change the background color to blue. See, yeah. It's pretty light. I'm going to change it to light blue. So basically you can change it, or I'll put the link in the description. So there's also how to do a button. But actually, let's start with the very basic things. If you don't want to watch the rest of the video for basics, you could read this instead. It shows you the basic things. So for paragraph, the code would be P and P, italic text, bold text, and it also show the style.css. So for font family, the name of the font family, you put the name of the font family in there. It sets the font. Sorry, and on the font size, it changes the size, and it sends the size to 48 if you have 48 pd. Then font weight would be bold if you could set it to bold. So for bold text, you could either do strong, or you can do font weight bold. Then change the text align. So that's what I did on style.css over here. And then you can also change the text align to the right, set the font to right or left if you want to. And then that's basically the basics, but there's also a few more and I haven't taught you yet. So for button, let's start with button. Actually, let's start with H1. H1 is okay. So let's start with H1. H1 is basically where you well, how do I say this? H1 is basically when the heading. So this is the heading one. So please subscribe to my channel. That is the heading one, and then you put H2, H3, and H4, all of that down. And on button. Now, if you do this for button, it would come up. Then in the middle, you have to write any word. So subscribe. That would be the button. I haven't tried this one out, so let's try it out. Oh, okay. Let's change the background color. Not sure if this is gonna work. Let's see. No, I haven't tried that out before, so I'm not sure if it works. But on button, you can change it to this. So I'm trying to figure out how to make when press button. I can make it like change it to another screen, but I haven't done that yet. So basically, yeah. Okay, bye. Bye, techies.